Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. To start, open and locate your settings application on your phone. Once there, go to apps. Once you're in your apps, search for messages. Now on messages, all you gotta do right now is click on permissions. Once you're on your permissions, go to SMS and then click on allow. Once you allow that, you can now close settings. And then after, you can now go ahead and open Google Chrome. Once you're in Google Chrome, go to the search bar and then type in the following. Type in Down Detector. After tapping on it and searching, you will see a PK downloader. All you gotta do is click on that link on Down Detector. Once there, monitor the outage in Gmail. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.